As you go into the 9th month of the year 2024, greatness shall be easy for you. Mercy shall be your garment. The air around you shall be divine favor. The land where you step in shall submit unto you. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. The power that uphold the heaven and earth will rise to support you to greatness. As you go in, you will not labor before you are favored. I declare upon your life and all that has to do with you, whatever you lay your hand upon, you will prosper. No weapon of darkness will reach you. Continually, you will encounter mercy. Continually, you will encounter favor. I declare upon your life, goodness shall be the land you step on. Every water you use in bathing shall be divine encounter. Nothing created by God visible, nothing created by God invisible shall walk in the hand of your enemies against you. You will ride on the wings of the power of the Lord. The Lord will lead you and will go before you. Every crooked part of your journey shall be made smooth. Every bend shall be made straight. I declare upon you, every mountain before you shall be leveled. You shall see God in all that has to do with you. Every disappointment you've incurred so far shall be an appointment for greatness. From today, both white and black will rise in your favor. I speak to your life. It shall be a month of fruitfulness. The Lord will lay the foundation of glory in you. So shall it be. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ, I have declared. Happy new month to you all. God bless you.